autoclave. What is autoclave? Autoclave is a pressurized device designed to heat aqueous solutions above their boiling point at normal atmospheric pressure to achieve sterilization, that is, to kill all forms of microorganisms. Auto means self and clavis means self-locking device. Brief history of autoclave. Denis Papin. He invented a precursor known as a steam digester in 1679. It was essentially a cooking instrument. It was too bulky and untested. Role of Chamberlain. Autoclave was invented by Charles Chamberlain in 1879. He was colleague of Pasteur. He started working on Papin's steam digester. He was been credited for starting the research project. Principle. Boiling point of water is directly proportional to the pressure when the volume is constant. Pressure is directly proportional to temperature. मतलब जैसे कि प्रेशर बढ़ेगा वैसे ही टेम्परेचर अपने आप बढ़ जाएगा. When pressure is increased in a closed vessel, the temperature increases proportionally. For example, for about 15 pounds of pressure per square inch, that is psi, the temperature rises to 121 degrees Celsius. This pressure and temperature is kept constant for 20 minutes during autoclaving. It is sufficient to kill all the vegetative forms and spores of organisms. Now here is the table representing the relationship between pressure and temperature of steam at sea level. Construction. There is a cylindrical vessel made up of gunmetal. Controller with time and temperature which can be programmed by the user. A black-lit alphanumeric 2-line 32-character LCD display. Low water level sensor open or short alarms and cut off. Lid is fitted with pressure gauge, safety valve, safety fusible plug, manual exhaust valve and vacuum breaker. जो लीड रहेगी वो एयर को अंदर एंटर नहीं करने देगी, मतलब एयर टाइट रखेंगी ऑटोक्लेव को. A perforated plate which is used for keeping the materials to be sterilized. एक प्लेट रहेगा जिस पे हम अपने मटेरियल्स रखेंगे जो भी हम स्टेरिलाइज करने वाले हैं. Drain valve for easily draining and cleaning. Molded rubber gasket and stainless steel carrier along with heater cover stand. Working. There is a sterilizing chamber to place articles and a steam jacket where steam is maintained. Steam flow from the steam jacket into the sterilizing chamber. Cool air is forced out. A special valve increases the pressure to 15 pounds per square inch above normal atmospheric pressure. The temperature rises to 121 degrees Celsius and the superheated water molecules rapidly conduct heat into microorganisms. मतलब जो भी वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स की हीट रहेगी वो जनरेट होके माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स के अंदर एंटर कर जाएगी. The time is reduced to 15 minutes to kill bacterial spore. For denser objects, up to 30 minutes of exposure may be required. Air removal. Various methods involved are downward displacement, steam pulsing, vacuum pumps, super atmospheric cycle, sub-atmospheric cycles. Types of sterilization. There are two types of sterilization, dry sterilization and wet sterilization. Dry sterilization. इसमें सारे सेल कंस्टिट्यूएंट्स को खत्म कर दिया जाएगा. Mechanism by destructive oxidation of essential cell constituents. Resistant spores requires a temperature of about 160 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. Employed for glassware, syringe, metal instruments and paper wrapped goods. Used for anhydrous fats, oils and powders that are impermeable to moisture. Wet sterilization. इसमें जो एंजाइम्स और वो सब स्ट्रक्चरल कंपोनेंट्स रहेंगे या तो प्रोटीन्स रहेंगे उसको डिस्टॉर्ट कर दिया जाएगा by coagulating and denaturing enzymes and structural proteins. Resistant spores generally requires 121 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 minutes. Used for the sterilization of culture media and all other materials through which steam can penetrate. Moist heat is more effective than dry heat. Lower temperatures in a given time at a shorter duration. Wet proteins release free SH groups. Different types of autoclaves. There are generally 6 types of autoclaves. First, heat autoclaves. Most common source for autoclaving is heating. यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा. That is 246 degrees Celsius for half hour. Dry heat और steam heat दोनों यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Steam heat autoclaves के लिए heated water vapors यूज़ करेंगे. ड्राई हीट ऑटोक्लेव हम सेंसिटिव सर्जिकल प्रोडक्ट्स एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स को स्टेरिलाइज करने के लिए यूज़ करेंगे. सेकेंड, गैस ऑटोक्लेव्स, उसको हम केमिकल्स भी कहते हैं. गैस ऑटोक्लेव वेपर सॉल्यूशन यूज़ करेगा टू स्टेरिलाइज. फॉर्माल्डिहाइड गैस एंड इथिलीन ऑक्साइड आर द स्टेरिलाइजिंग एजेंट्स used in the gas autoclaves. They consume lesser heat and take lesser time to complete the cycle. Ultraviolet autoclaves. They produce UV light that kills the unwanted disease-causing organisms. Cold sterilization autoclaves. They use a cold sterilization liquid to sterilize the contents. Laboratory autoclaves. They are used for general lab work, component and stability testing, core hardening, dry glassware, and sterilizing. Stout-up autoclave. In such autoclaves, the tools should always be separated to allow the steam to penetrate the load evenly. It is the simplest autoclave. मतलब वो सिर्फ एक स्टीम से होगा और उसका लोड हम कम रखेंगे ताकि सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स या जो भी मटेरियल रखा हो उसमें इवनली स्टीम स्प्रेड हो और स्टेरिलाइजेशन हो जाए. Autoclaves are available in many sizes. The smallest is a stove-top pressure cooker. Countertop models are used in dentist office and small medical clinics. Large solid-state controlled autoclaves are common in laboratories and hospitals. All autoclaves have temperature and pressure gauges as well as a timer. Quarterly calibration of the autoclave timer and gauges is important to ensure that proper sterilization is occurring. Here are the different types of autoclaves represented. Autoclave usage. Autoclave is used in microbiology, medicine, body piercing, veterinary science, dentistry, podiatry, metallurgy. Limitations: safety, environment, cost, equipment, and food processing. Safety. A very high pressure environment autoclave cracks or leaks. Scale the autoclave operator. An industrial autoclave can operate at an even higher temperature. Environment. Environment of autoclave should be carefully prepared. Condensed releases are extremely hot. Have a supply of cold water so the condensate does not melt the drain pipes. Cost. Building a large autoclave is expensive because it needs insulation, water supply, and sturdy metal construction. Cannot easily be disassembled into smaller parts. Steam autoclaves do not supply enough heat for some industrial processes, so need another fuel such as gas or oil. Equipment. Reliable sterilize melt plastic equipment with its steam. Can sterilize some cloth and linens without destroying them. Food processing. An autoclave produces steam that is too hot for some sterilization processes. According to Rattray Valley Community College, farms do not use autoclave to kill bacteria in milk because the heat changes the taste of milk. Thank you. Keep watching the Science Hub.